Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the 4 most popular web browsers from the Play Store on your Motorola ThinkPhone. So at the start, we'll start from the Opera. In the Opera, just click on this taskbar icon and switch to the private. Then add a tab and that's it. The next one is Firefox. In the welcoming screen, just click on the zero mask or just go to the taskbar icon, switch to the zero mask and go to the private. The next one is Microsoft Edge. Like before, go to the taskbar icon, switch to the in private and add a tab. And the last one, the Google Chrome, just click here on this arrow icon or three dot icon, choose the new Incognito tab, and now just type your address. And now the cookies, the cache files and the history will be not saved on your phone. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.